Hello, all. I want to invite you to this channel as we discuss about extractor fans. Simply put, an extractor fan is a ventilation device that removes unwanted air, odors, moisture, and particulates from an enclosed space. This is to improve on air quality and comfort. It works by drawing out the stale air and replacing it with the fresh air so as to improve on the air quality and prevent issues like molds, accumulation of dust, or too much humidity on these spaces. In your daily life, particular that most probably you interact with one or the other applications of extractor fans. They have handy of applications from our homes to commercial enterprises to industrial applications. For example, in our homes, we find them in the kitchens. Extractor fans help to remove that cooking odors, that smoke, moisture, and all that. This keeps the kitchen smelling fresh and importantly, it removes the grease and prevent it from building up. In your bathrooms and toilets, extractor fans are handy because they prevent that moisture building up, which can lead to the buildup of molds. This is important so as to keep the bathroom dry and fresh. Same way in our laundry rooms, either in homes and commercial spaces, we actually use extractor fans, which basically reduces moisture and prevents mold from forming up in especially in the damp areas. Same way, in commercial applications, we have plenty of applications. In those restaurants, cafes, offices, and gyms, this is generally essential for maintaining air quality, especially in the kitchen areas where we have smoke, grease, odors. It improves ventilation as well in spaces with high occupancy. This is just to ensure the air quality and comfort. The industrial setup is now where we have the big application of the extractor fans. In industrial setups, we have them in manufacturing facilities. In manufacturing facilities, this is where extractor fans are vital for removing of those fumes, the dust, and other airborne contaminants. This ensures that the worker safety and equipment longevity is attained. Apart from having extractor fans as standalone ventilation devices, it is important to note that you can actually have them form part of a plant. For example, let's see application of extractor fans in chillers. In chillers, they help in functions such as heat dissipation, moisture, and condensation control. Chiller plants in their operations produce significant amount of heat. So extractor fans remove this hot air. Why is it important? It prevents overheating of both the chiller equipment and generally the surrounding environment, which is the work of the chiller. This improves the energy efficiency of the chiller plant and help prevent the equipment. Also, they come handy in applications of warehouses and workshops. Why are they important? In these places, they maintain safe air levels, especially where we have chemicals or dust particles. This helps in preventing hazards such as fire, health issues, and all that. As a user or a technician who is responsible for choosing the particular type of extractor fan to use for a particular application, there are various factors you need to consider. This ranges from the size of the room to the specific application of this particular extractor fan you're choosing, such as the moisture control or the dust extraction, or is it for ventilation. Importantly, in your design, you need to check other factors such as noise levels, the energy efficiency needs of your applications, and the ability to integrate this particular extractor fan to other devices such as the sensors, such as the humidity sensors, temperature sensors, and so forth. That said, we can collectively note that extractor fans are more than just a luxury. They are essential for our comfort, our safety, and health across various settings. Whether you are at home or in an industrial environment or in any commercial setup, having the correct extractor fan can make all the difference in your comfort and air quality. With such a vast availability and application in our normal lives, you need to be aware of the risk. Ensure safety when operating and maintaining any extractor fan. This is essential as proper handling prevents one electrical hazards, it reduces the risk of injury, and it prolongs your device. Number two, if you do not know, do not touch. Ensure you get a professional. With all said and done, ladies and gentlemen, it has been an extractor fun day. So, allow me, ladies and gentlemen, to say this. Wherever you are, have a fun day. Thanks for watching. And most importantly, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share if you found this particular video helpful. Glad to grow with you. Asante sana. Promise to entertain, educate, and inspire you more. The channel is Teach Patrick Yagan. Stay safe and thank you.